This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start a Chevy Impala without a key. First, understand that these methods are for emergency situations only and may have serious consequences. We'll cover two primary techniques: hot wiring and using a screwdriver or drill. It's crucial to prioritize safety and be aware of the legal implications involved. Always ensure the vehicle belongs to you or you have explicit permission to perform these actions. Hot wiring involves bypassing the ignition system directly. You'll need to access the wiring harness beneath the steering column. Look for the main power wire, typically a thick red wire, and the ignition wire, often pink. The starter wire is usually purple. Carefully strip a small section of insulation from these wires. Connect the power wire to the ignition wire, then briefly touch the starter wire to the connected pair to engage the starter motor. Remember, this can damage your vehicle's electrical system. Another method involves forcing the ignition cylinder. Begin by removing any plastic trim around the steering column to expose the ignition. Insert a large, flathead screwdriver into the keyhole. You may need to apply significant force to turn the cylinder, essentially breaking the internal mechanism. Alternatively, a drill can be used to destroy the cylinder, allowing access to the internal components. This method will permanently damage the ignition and may trigger security systems. Modern cars often have advanced security, making this difficult. It is vital to understand that attempting to start a car without its key, especially if it's not your own, can lead to severe legal consequences, including fines or imprisonment. Even with your own vehicle, hot wiring can void warranties and cause extensive electrical damage. Always consider professional assistance, like a locksmith, as a safer alternative. And speaking of staying prepared, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Prioritize your safety and legal standing above all else.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.